water,
2.5.
and then grind size kosher, similar to the French press size.
2.5 liter.
But this Colombian we can use also for French press.
Oh, it's
For a
not.
brood method, always choose for a single origin beans.
What is the difference Colombia and Ethiopian Kochiri?
Okay, that's genetical difference. Ethiopian Kochiri has a more acidity naturally. And then Colombia, it has a medium acidity, more sweet, chocolatey kind of flavors. Kochiri will be more fruitier.
But
now,
both-
now you will not get a Kochiri at all. Kochiri will stop, so you will get a Rwanda. Rwanda is a better option.
What's that?
The one we tried out. And if you haven't get a Kochiri, just order Rwanda.
Because at the moment we order Kochiri, Ethiopian Kochiri. So no more